Definitely. So, Ishan, the kind of environment that we've seen now, especially after COVID, during COVID, people had to undergo a lot of changes in their lifestyles at home, at work, which were unprecedented, they'd never been through before. And that is when psychological safety really became a talking point. And now more than ever, catching up with the rapid escalation and de-escalation of economies around the world, the kind of work styles that we're following, kind of lifestyles we're following, and of course generation gaps that have come in now. I think psychological safety is really, really something which has transitioned from a good to have to a must have, in every organization. So I believe a lot of things are conspiring against, organizations and pushing them into having psychological safety. Okay, so I had shared this earlier also during the roundtable that we have implemented a lot of things which are small in size and volume, but they are very impactful as they go in a long way in, inculcating that psychological safety into the minds of employees, right? But I think the most important thing that can really drive a change is managers taking ownership of this and not it being seen as only an HR thing to do. And I think we are really pushing towards that. We are taking the onus from HR and putting it onto managers and teams for their own psychological safety, encouraging employees to own up their own mental health and really, discuss, talk with their managers, encouraging managers to listen. So I think it can only succeed if it's driven, across the organization and not really enforced from HR. So I think that's most important for us. I think the best takeaways for me were the interactive learnings that I had, sharing experiences with everyone, hearing from other organizations at different levels of maturity, how they are implementing simple activities and initiatives to inculcate psychological safety and to inculcate diversity into their organizations. I think it was great interacting with everyone, learning from them. We did really hear some very revolutionary, I would say, initiatives that some of the organizations have taken, which really makes us feel that, there's so much more that we can do. We can still do a lot more to really get there. So I think that was the best part about it for me personally.